Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sayyid Muhammad Rizvi. I am working in the Chandbagh school. I am O-level physics teacher there. My lecture is lecture number 20 and it is related to grade 10 physics. Now I will proceed towards the next slide. That is the topic slide. The topic that I am going to discuss and describe is some consequences of conduction. I will read now the first point. Trapping air to use as insulation. Birds have feathers, you know that, and mammals like cats or polar bears have fur to trap air. Air is a very good insulator of heat. This will minimize heat loss from their warm bodies to the cold surrounding during winter or on rainy days. Human beings need clothes to trap air since we have very little hair on our bodies to keep us warm. So that's why I have discussed the point that is a very much important point. Birds and other mammals have the fur. Birds have the feather and cats and polar bear have the fur, and that fur and feather will trap the air because air is a very good insulator of heat, and this will minimize the heat loss from their warm bodies. Now I will read the next point. Different sensation from good and bad conductor of heat. If you touch the metal knob on a cold day with one hand and the wooden portion of the same door with other hand, you will feel that the metal knob is much colder than the wooden portion of the door. Even though they are at the same temperature. The reason lies in the fact that metals is a much better conductor of heat than wood. This means that the metal conducts heat away from your hand much more rapidly than the wood. The same effect is felt if you walk with your bare feet on a marble floor, followed by walking onto a carpet. You will again feel that the marble floor is colder than the carpet. Some everyday applications of conduction I will show you. Uses of good conductors of heat. If heat is needed to flow quickly through a substance, good conductors of heat are used. Some examples of the use of metals, good conductors of as you know that the metals are the good conductors of the heat. Number 1 point, cooking utensils, kettles, saucepans and boilers are usually made of aluminium or stainless steel, where direct heating is involved. Soldering iron rods are made of iron with a tip made of copper because copper is a much better conductor of heat than iron. Heat exchangers such as those used in a laundry enable precious fuel to be saved. A heat exchanger used in a laundry that is made of copper a very good conductor of heat. A heat exchanger for laundry, the hot dirty water obtained from the hot wash is used to heat up the cold clean water by rapid conduction of heat through the walls of copper tubing. So that I have discussed some consequences of conduction. I hope so you liked my lecture. What I have delivered to you, you have to read this topic in your book and you have to solve the past paper question related to this topic. Okay, Khuda Hafiz.